Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the rear wiper, we start by removing the trim cover. Kind of separate it on the sides and lift straight up. So you're basically separating it, pulling it off those pins out of here. I'll put this aside. I'm going to use some rust penetrant on here. This bolt is pretty rusty. This nut is pretty rusty. Use the 10mm socket and ratchet and loosen it. You might have to hold on to the wiper arm. Take that off to the side. Now this, we might get lucky, or we might have to use the puller. So we kind of lift up the arm and then kind of rock it back and forth. Sometimes you can wiggle it off. This one doesn't want to come off, so we'll have to get our wiper arm puller. I'm going to reinstall our nut just slightly. We've got a wiper arm puller. You can get this from 1A Auto. Just slide it underneath, and then I'll thread it down. The reason why I put the nut on there, I don't want to damage the shaft that this rides on. Potentially like mushroom it out. Just kind of get it lined up on here as best we can. It's a 3/4 end on this. And I'll tighten this up. Shouldn't take too much force. I'll pop this off. Just like that. Remove the puller. Remove the loose nut. And lift the arm right off. Reinstall the wiper arm. You can see the dirt line where it was sitting. Let's get it started. Thread this back on. Tighten it back up. Might have to hold the arm. Once you feel it get tight, that should be fine. You don't want to break it off. Reinstall your cover, just slide straight down. Clips into place. There you go, it's installed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.